Dear students, greetings to all of you again. I am here for my next video. This is Arivu Karasu, teacher of English from Bharathidasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. And this video is going to be the continuation of my last one, that is for class 11 students from unit 4, part 2. Right? This is my second part from the same poetry, Macavity. Right? Last class we have seen Macavity, the mystery cat, and this is going to be the second part of it. In my last session, it was only 2 stanzas completed, and here it is going to be 3, 4, 5 and 6, 4 stanzas. Okay. As I told you, to making it technically a compact lecture, it is divided into 3 parts, and it is the second one. Right. Again, I insist you to have your textbook with you ready. Right. Are you all ready for it? Shall we begin? Yeah. The first line. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is a very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. So already we have spoken a lot about this mystery cat, Macavity, and also I told about his intelligence. He has never left any evidence, and also it has left a great impact on the Scotland Yard Police headquarters. And here again the poet says, you may seek him in the basement. What is the meaning of this word basement? The underground area, the parking lot. So basement is nothing but the parking area or underground. You can check for him anywhere, and you may look up in the air. Sometimes he may seem to be floating on the air, jumping from one tall building to another. You can see him anywhere. But I tell you once and once again, repeatedly I am telling you, Macavity is not there. If you go for him, right, the moment you feel that there is Macavity, the next minute if you go to the spot, he won't be available there, because he is an escaping person. He always escapes within a fraction of a second. Macavity is a ginger cat. Here, ginger cat, which means so alert and cautious. A cat which seems to be so cautious and alert. Also, the color of this ginger cat, you can see here, this light orange colored skin. Okay, so such cats are called ginger cat. So he is a ginger cat, and he is very tall and thin. What kind of cat he is? He is so tall and also a thin, looking very lean. You would know him if you saw him. Just by if you saw him, you can recognize he is Macavity, because he is so unique, not only by his character but also by his appearance. Okay, just by seeing the evil nature from the face itself, you can recognize it is Macavity. Okay, you would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. So here this description, the appearance of this cat is described. His eyes are sunken in. So his eyes are bit sunk in. Okay, so here the appearance and also his nature is described in this stanza. And again rhyme scheme, air, there, again sounds a, thin, in. These 2 words, they end with the same sound, and hence I am giving this sound B. So here also the rhyme scheme is A, B, B again. Okay, so you can look for him anywhere, basement or air. But again, if you go to the spot, he will not be there. That's the first 2 lines. Okay. Next, his appearance. What kind of cat he is? If a question is asked for you to describe the appearance of cat, you can write he is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin, and his eyes are sunken in. It went a little deeper inside. The eyes are seemingly deeper inside. Okay. So the entire appearance is depicting an evil nature here. So next stanza here, 4th one. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So here again, his eyebrow, that is the eyebrow, is deeply lined with thought. Sometimes you can see people with dark lines even on the forehead also. We feel that they are so intelligent and they think always. They never give rest to the brain. Such sort of persons, for them you can find the deep lines on the forehead and near the eyes all. Here too, this ginger cat also seems to have a deep line. His head is highly doomed. Doomed is nothing but the round shape. So the meaning of this word doomed is round cone shaped. just you can find this dome structure on the Mughal architecture buildings. At the top of it, near the arches, you can see a round cone shaped structure that is called domed. So his head is such a cone shaped one because he is so thin, and only his head seems to be very round shaped one, and that is what described here, highly domed. And then his coat is dusty from neglect. So the skin seems to be so dusty because he was so careless about it, and he never cared for maintaining himself. He never groomed himself in a neat way. So he was so dusty, right? And then his whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers are nothing but the hair-like structure that you can see just near the mouth. That is called whiskers, and even that seems to be uncombed, to so irregular, not neatly maintained. And he sways his head from side to side. So always he moves his head from one side to another with movements like a snake. So the movements of this McCavity is almost like the movement of a snake, moving the heads sideways always. Right? And then when you think he is half asleep, if you feel he is sleeping there, you can get closer to him. If you think, then you are wrong. He is always wide awake. He acts like really he is sleeping, but if you get closer to him, immediately he gets alerted and he escapes from the spot. So it is only half sleep always. He never sleeps sound. Okay, such a careful criminal he is. Okay, and again here the rhyme scheme, doomed and combed. These two words, they end with the same sound. So here I give the sound A, and the next stanza, sorry it is snake awake, B, B. So the rhyme scheme of this stanza is also A, B, B. And the next one, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. This line is all given in the second stanza too, right? No one like him, because he is so unique and nobody can be so alert and cautious like him. And for he is a find. He is, this is an apostrophe, as I said, he is, short form of he is used here again. He is a, it is not friend, find, which means an enemy. Friend, this word is an opposite of friend. Here you can notice the difference in the spelling. F-R-I-E-N-D, that is friend. This word is find, which means enemy. Okay. In feline shape, feline means cat shaped. So here this word expresses the demon or devil structure. A devil is in the form of a cat shape. Okay, don't imagine him for a gentle cat. He is not an ordinary cat, but he is really a monster in the shape of a cat. A monster of depravity. Depravity, that means a evil structure or a evil natured animal. So he is really a depiction of complete evil quality. Okay, so a monster with full of all evil qualities. You may meet him in a by street. By the way, when you walk along the street, you can watch him. You can see him crossing there. You may see him in the square. Okay, in square here refers to the roundness or where the statues are erected. You can see in many of the highways, many statues will be erected, or some crossroads. You can see that place is square, where usually the square is a crowded place. Okay, so you can see him casually anywhere or everywhere, or even in squares or by the street where you walk. But when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. Normally he moves along everywhere, but when there is a crime discovered by the police or by anyone, then you cannot find him because he escaped from the spot. Again the sound, the rhyme scheme, McCavity, depravity, it is AA, sounds AA again, squad there, sound BB. So the rhyme scheme of this stanza is also the same. So throughout this poetry, the poet followed the same rhyme scheme, AA, BB. Okay. So here also they may ask what is the meaning of this word depravity. You can write evil, evil quality, and here feline, cat shaped. So here a monster is in the shape of a normal cat. That's it. So you, the last two lines says you can see him. Normally we can see him everywhere in the streets itself, but when there is a crime, he escapes. Okay, that's the point. He is outwardly respectable. Outwardly, if you don't consider his crime scenes, he is so respectable. Then say he cheats at card. they say, sorry, it's not they, it is, they say he cheats at cards. Even while playing, he cheats everyone. Okay. So, outwardly he is respectable for his intelligence, but if you consider every part of him, every quality of him, we cannot, of course, because even for silly things he cheats others. Okay. But for his intelligence, really he is so respectable. Okay. Even sometimes when you watch movies, sometimes we feel like respecting the villain for his intelligence or for being so smart. He is such one among a person. And his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. Usually the police men, they collect the thumb impression of the criminals for future reference, but his footprints are never recorded by any of the policemen, including the world's best investigation agency, Scotland Yards. Not seen anywhere. And when the larders looted, the meaning of this word larders, cupboards. At homes, in the cupboards, you can store many things, right? So, edible items or any other important things may be stored up in the cupboards. Sometimes even those cupboards are looted. Looted means robbed, smuggled, or the jewel case is rifled, stolen. Even the jewel case kept at the home may be stolen, or this general cupboard, even simple things may get lost. Or when the milk is missing, even from your kitchens, right? Even if milk is missing, or another peg's been stifled. Here the word peg stands for a dog, a species of dog, Pekingese. Short form of Pekingese is given as pegs, a Pekingese dog. Generally, when there is any crime or when someone tries to steal from a house, the dogs they will go and guard the house, and they make a lot of sounds, or they may even stop the thief to enter into the house. But this ginger cat has the ability, has the capability to make this Pekingese dog to go actionless, stifled. This means suppressing someone to act or react. Suppressing someone to act or react. Okay. So, just by the look of this evil cat, even the dog, they go reactionless, without any reaction. They stand still, so that easily he can enter into anyone's house. He can take out anything. Okay. So, these are the general crimes done by this Macavity, right? So, he is so intelligent, right? Even in the last video also we have seen, he is so unique. He is so intelligent and never left any evidence. Here too the same. He has done many crimes, like the one mentioned here. Jewel case is stolen, and even the cupboards are looted, milk went missing, and even the dogs are scared of this cat. For all these crimes, he has never left anything, and so far nothing is recorded by the police. Okay, he's so mysterious and a dangerous one too, right? So we shall watch what are the other things done by him in the next video. Thank you for watching this.